Rainwater normally trickles away directly into the ground and contributes to the formation of groundwater. In built-up or flat-sealed areas, it's difficult for rain to get into the water cycle by natural means. The quantity of rainwater which is taken away through drainage systems rises considerably even with low rainfall. Climate change and the increase of extreme weather events reinforces this effect. In addition, pollutants and dirt particles of various grain sizes and qualities are carried away by the runoff from traffic areas. They are produced in road traffic, for example by tire wear and combustion processes. Here, among other things, petrol hydrocarbons, heavy metal particles and polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, in short known as PAHs, as for example the carcinogenic benzopyrenes, are released. These dangerous pollutants are mainly attached to very fine particles which cannot be separated by normal settling tanks or sedimentation plants. Reliable cleaning can only be achieved by filtration, which removes besides the larger also the finest particles and keeping them back permanently. DRAINFIX CLEAN is a complete system developed by Hauraton which reliably collects rainwater, effectively cleans it and discharges it safely. The channel offers sufficient retention volume even when there is heavy rainfall and has received the German technical approval for construction products and types of construction by the DIBT. The design of DRAINFIX CLEAN channels is based on the proven FaserFix super channels. They consist of fiber-reinforced concrete with a robust steel frame. The system is approved up to the highest loading class F900. Consequently, even heavy vehicles can run over the channels. The channel there is equipped with a drainage pipe embedded in the filter substrate Carbotec 60. This substrate was specially developed by Hauraton. Even the finest particles, which are only 0.006 of a millimeter in size, are retained on the filter surface. After just a few weeks, a filter cake is formed with the properties of natural topsoil and high pollutant binding properties. Dissolved pollutants are permanently absorbed by the filter substrate, even at presence of high concentrations of de-icing salt. The water cleaned by the filter layer runs into the drain pipe and is taken to the percolation plant. An inspection shaft enables a sample to be taken at any time. The drainage system is installed in two stages. First, channels and covers are laid as usual. Before the end of the building work, the channels can be driven over by building site traffic. When there is no further building site dirt, the row of channels with the boltless locking system side lock is opened again, the drain pipe inserted and the Carbotec 60 substrate poured in. Then the channels are closed again and can immediately be driven over. A test plant was built in Augsburg to develop the product. The performance of the DRAINFIX CLEAN channels was investigated for all seasons of the year. The total amount of rainwater, including solid particles and pollutants contained, were diverted through differently sized filters and collected each month together with any overflow. The water was analyzed by the most modern methods for a period of over 2 years. In this way, the quantity of rainwater as well as the quantity of dirt and pollutants could be accurately determined. The test results provided important information on the required filter size, the pollutant removal efficiency and the lifetime of the substrate. DRAINFIX CLEAN channels provide an effective pollutant removal of up to 99.9%. Thus, the filter cake remains permeable for a long time. The filter system, unlike for permanent waterlogged systems, shall become dry. With a ratio of filter surface to the connected area of at least 2%, the system remains completely operational even in times of heavy rain. The servicing of the channels can be done quickly and easily. The frequency depends on the local loads of solid matter and the intervals between street cleaning. Thus, it's only necessary to remove and dispose of the filter cake. In extreme situations without street cleaning, cleaning out is only necessary every 10 years or so. In urban areas with regular sweeping, you may not need doing more frequently than every 20 years. The substrate can remain in use for many years. These are the advantages of DRAINFIX CLEAN. The product replaces a natural topsoil and retains almost 100% of the pollutants and heavy metals. In the development of building land, there is more usable housing land and financial profit as a result of the lower demand for surface areas. Long intervals between cleaning keep the maintenance costs low and guarantee trouble-free operation over many years. DRAINFIX CLEAN for the effective treatment of rainwater.